Hello. So let's take a look at the new text. Okay, class Twitch class. So when I create a new, hold on here. So what I'm wanting to do is take the text and put it off to the side. So handle messages, new text terrain. Okay, so I bet that's in there. I think I already got it up here because I was looking at it. I was looking at it last time. Hold up. Quantum memes. I'll leave that. New terrain. Okay. Terrain. Huh? I remember all that. Okay. So client. Okay, hold on. Client. Extract username, hex to RGB, parse message, Twitch chat client. Capric, am I coming through all right? Testing 543.14159. 54321. Okay, has message, get messages unclear, handle messages. Okay. So what I'm wanting to look at in this one, sneeze is coming on. Client has new messages, handle messages. Okay, so so parsed message, find last of, log the parsed messages of the file, check for username, receive message, new text make char. Okay. So if I want to mess with this then, let's go into new text and save it as number 3. Alright. Let's go into here. Save this as 27. Into 3 there. Let's load 27 instead of 26. Wait, where's the 3D terrain? Yeah. Where is it? Oh, I'm thinking of this one. All projects. Boom, 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 27. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, let's leave this. And let's go 525, 24. Alright, whatever. Boom, 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 boom. Is that how you spell overlays? I think so. 27? What did I just type in there? Let's just go like this. Let's copy the whole thing. Let's take this out, I guess. Bum, 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 oh, I'm terrible at that. Oh, you are terrible at that. Yes, you are. There we go. That's one way to put the date on it. Okay. But make a shader to sprite sheet animation. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Because what's his name was doing something like that. Alright, I feel the need for water. Wait, where is the where's the class? Oh. What are these? Are these random what? They're not part of the class? Alright, alright. We'll fix that eventually. TZ is right there. Oh, and TX and TY. Oh, Jeff. So confusing. What I'm wanting to do is take the parse messages and display them. And we'll see what that comes up with. So I'm just thinking about this while I'm having Bing think about it. Sure, I'd be happy to help. Let's break this down into smaller tasks. Oh yes, there we go. Displaying the messages. You mentioned you're already displaying the messages on quads in the 3D world. You display them on the bottom right of the screen. You need to adjust the position of the quads. You need to. Well, I know. You can do this by setting the X coordinate to the width of the window minus the width of the quad, and the Y coordinate to the length, the height of the window minus the height of the quad. Moving previous move, when the image comes in, you want to increase the Y coordinate of all. You need to display your gun with the quads and values. Show the message set times of the timer. New image comes in, start the timer. The timer comes in the screen. Here's a big example. Okay, all right. Hold on. Okay, I got you. All right. So the first thing, let's just, yeah, this is not quite what I was thinking of, but I need to give Bing here some code to work with. But I think we're just going to work through this step by step. Okay, good. You're done. You're done. That's good. Let's work through this step by step. So the first thing we want to do, class Twitch chat client 6. Okay, so let's save this as 7 because we're going to update that as well. 7 already exists. No, let's go to 8. Okay, good. And then go here. Client 8. There. Okay, so game dev log, and then we want to put that in here. Just grab this. So it really happens in here because this function text make char will take an x, y, and z vector, a color, and then what's this one? Text make char. 2, 2. What's the position, color, s? Oh, scale. Nice. And then the ASCII. Okay, great. So it's got a scale. Well, that's kind of cool. So let's do so also in this new text in here, when it renders, because it's rendering them, hold on. Oh, projection view, okay. Well, that's cool. The thing about this, though, is it takes a projection and a view, so it actually will move the text around the screen like it's inside the scene. So for the future, as I'm doing this, I'm going to want an instantiated version of this class to do this. Then I'm going to want another version that actually doesn't use projection and view. Because where I'm going to put them is going to be on the screen, flat, up against the screen, over as an overlay. And I'm not going to want them to be affected by the camera. Okay. So let's just go with, well, we don't need to worry about it in here, I don't think. It's right here, handle messages. So it all happens right here. So the other thing we really need to change, just as a temporary, we could do a new render and just not throw in a projection or view. Oh wait, when we call text render, we can actually put in a projection and a view there. So we can just use a unit matrix. That would work, right? Yeah, hold on. So where is it at? New text. See, projection and view. So we can just use the unit matrix. This one. Model, model, model. So that one, is that right? So projection and view go into there. Let's see, it's got it right there. Okay, so that's fine. So it's a little clumsy, I understand that. But we're just gonna go down here because model gets set to the unit matrix here. Set matrix, and it does all this render. So model doesn't actually change, so I can literally go right here. So the projection and view matrix then for that will be, yeah. So use the unit matrix for no transformation. There we go. So I forgot, is my speaker back on? Yeah, my microphone's back on. All right. Okay, so new text there. And then everything is just happening in here. Then all we have to do is take the message. Okay, so the other thing that we have to do is, for now what we could do is as soon as a message comes in, we'll display it on the bottom right of the screen. Then if another message comes in, boom, just lift it up. We're not going to worry about the other messages. Just up, you know. TZ plus 3, Y offset plus 2. So Z is going to be like 1 every single time. So let's set TZ equal to 1. Y offset, TY, the terrain, get interpolated height. We're not going to use that. We're not going to use Y offset. So for now we're just going to go like that. I think it's a variable inside the class, that's fine. Receive message length tx equals that. Okay, so here's where we have to calculate received message.name.length plus received message.message.length. Excuse me. Hold on, so what? I just want to see the first message, the initialization, really quick. Computer? Computer, what's going on? Boom. Received message. Where does it say? Receive message? What? What is it? What were we looking for? Name and message, right? Where does it say here total letters? Here it is. Here total letters 0 and L. Received color. Oh, I see. That's messed up. Okay, and then received name, TMI, that's the name. And then received message. Why does it print received message like that? Total letters. There's something else here? No. Because the parentheses there. Huh. See, because this would be your host is TMI Twitch TV. Really? What? Receive message. Blah, blah, blah. Let's change this real quick because I want to see what's going on. Blah. Blah, 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 oh, there it is. Name is nothing. Okay. So what is this name thing that it's doing? Total letters 0, total letters 61, name message. Okay, that's interesting. No idea what's going on. If I is less than received name length, then that. Otherwise, so it does the name here, then it does the message there. So this, that. Okay. So X is going to start at, see, X goes from -1 to here to this side is 1, right? So 1 minus name length, message length. Okay. So the X offset multiplier is going to be this. And I think +1. Because there's a space between them, right? So it's going to be the name length and the message length, I assume. We'll try it. We'll try it and see what happens. I will send a message, Captain. And then we don't need these function calls anymore since I just made the function calls. So let's just go X offset right there. -1, if you will. Actually, let's just leave this off. Because we know that there's a space in there somewhere. So let's see. Tx is equal to 1. This is different than in the game world, because in the game world I could give them each 1, but now I'm going to draw them on the screen. How big do we want these to be? Oh yeah, that's right. We want each one to be really, really small. Like if somebody types a 100-character message, we want to fit 100 characters here. And let's just say the whole screen is 2, right? So divide by 100. So 0.02 is going to be each one. Okay. So minus I, which is now a float, that's fine, times 0.02. Like that. So 1 minus I times 0.02. Or no, but it's not an I. Because we're going to start at X offset mult times 0.02. So if it's 100 characters, it's going to be 100. It's going to start all the way on the left-hand side of the screen. Okay, 1 minus. So like if that is actually 2, then it'll start at -1, which is right. It'll start that side. That's fine. We'll test it. And then ty is equal to this. Ty is not equal to that. Thank you very much. Ty is going to be, we have to remember that. So ty is the one we want to be part of the class now, not tz. Where's the class? This is so... Gotta fix this one, Jeff. Gotta fix it. But let's make ty up here. Let's start it at, let's see, 1 is the top, so the bottom is -1. But we're going to start it at 0.8 just to see where that's at. So that's kind of like the bottom of the screen. So if the game is running, it'll start at 0.08, at 0.8, -0.8. And then this will be ty now, ty. And then we're not going to set it to that each time. It's a little clumsy to have it as part of the class, but let's comment that up here. Let's put a comment. Okay. So now, get interpolated type, we're not going to do that. So that, okay, so ty is not going to be a local variable there. So then each time through this loop, it's going to come in, ty is that make char, ty is going to say the same. Tx is going to be this, and it's going to start over there, and then as we go from 0 to x offset multiplication, we're going to add I. Oh, here's where we want the cast to float for I times 0.02. So we're going to add, the first time we're going to add 0, right? And so we're going to start on the left side, add 0, then add 0.02. Okay. So the scale, does the scale need to be 0.02? I believe that is true. Jeff. Bum, bum. Ba-da-da, bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-da, bum. So what is this tz? Right now we're going to set that at 0. So we don't even need a variable. Okay, so then we're going to do this, received message, text. Okay, ty. Okay, so we're going to go through like this. We're going to assume that it's not over 100 characters. And then ty, and then it's going to go through this loop and do everything. And that will be all the characters. And then we're going to go ty plus equals 0.0. Let's just go 0.05, I guess, because the scale. Oh, that's fine. And then update data. So the next time it comes through, ty will be increased, and then tx will reset based on that, and then that's that. And everything's that. Okay. Let's see what this does. So theoretically, when somebody types on screen now, or if or the initial one should show. We'll see. And there won't be any transformation, and there's no timer set to delete them, so it works. Oh my goodness, cool. See, and it stays right there as I move around the screen. I did not expect that to work right away. So we want the Y to be a little bit taller, which makes sense because of whatchamacallit, aspect ratio. And it's almost 2 times, so let's just go like 3.8. Okay, 3.8. And then are we subtracting enough? It looks like we're not subtracting enough. But let's just run it again. We'll dabba-dabba-do. Dabba-dabba-do and bananas too. Okay, so now it should start displaying right. Okay, that looks great. Is that the whole message? Okay, let's send a message here. Can we go wait, I don't have it so that I can type, do I? I think I need to have my second monitor. Hold on, let me set up my second monitor. If somebody's in chat, go ahead and type something. That would save me some time, but I'm going to have to set up my second monitor here for a few seconds. It's not a big deal, but I'm gonna want to type anyways, so I might as well do this. Might as well do it. Oh, son of a! It's gonna fall off. All right. This is game dev, folks. This is game dev. Powering up. Yes, I'm starting an arcade cabinet. Starting the arcade cabinet. Everything is fine. Alright, now we gotta fix it up. Come on, keep changes. Okay, is this where I'm gonna lose my OBS? Yeah. So, what is this? So let's move this over here. Where is my Twitch chat? Okay. Where's my OBS? Is that working? Alright. So now, okay, hold on, computer. Just, okay. So can I go like this over here? Yes. It works. Okay, great, and it just shows up over there. Alright, that's step one. Did a mosquito just bite me? Son of a bean dip. There was a big old mosquito here last night and I thought I killed him, but I may have not killed him. Alright, here. There. Very nice. So now we got it to display. We're not doing the space. So it's right here, length. Okay. Let's try that. Alright, it's a little off the screen on the side there, but that's okay. And it's even got the color on there. Cool. Alrighty, so that's really cool. Alright, I think I'm going to take a break and come back because that was really cool. Better than I thought. All right, let's go here.